Hey, what is up? What is happening? My name is Ashley Ellix, and in this video today, we are going to be deep diving into and doing some arm and lip swatches of the brand new Too Faced holiday kits that came out for Christmas 2020. So right here I have the Lip Injection Extreme kit that comes with 3, and I love this formula, so I'm really excited to try the different colors and smell all the different flavors. And then also I have the Christmas Snuggles and Melted Kisses Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick set. Now, I got this set 2 years ago. It was a little bit different. We got different shades, so I'll be doing swatches of these, and if you want to wait till the end to see swatches compared with this set to the original set, I got the originals right here too, and I love them. So if you want to see that comparison, we'll show you. Some of these you can get individually this year too, and one of them is a repeat. So Sugar Cookie, which I love this shade so much, and it's very, very, very low. I really want to see it compared to the new one in this set, and hopefully it's the same shade because I love it. So we're going to be doing that today. By the way, if you're new to my channel, new to my face, like I said, my name is Ashley Ellix, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing at any point in time in this video. I don't expect you to do it quite yet if you are brand new to my face because you just met me. Hey, what's up? Welcome. Mull it over, think it over as you watch. If you like this kind of video, you like this kind of thing, and you want to be notified, then hit that little red subscribe button and then tap that bell next to it. That way you get notified when I post more videos, which is about 3 times a week, all beauty related and some lifestyle, and all cruelty free as well. But enough chit chat, enough jibber jabbing. If you're ready to see these lip swatches, arm swatches, all of that, find out how I feel about these formulas, then you're in the right place. And all you need to do now is sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. So let's go ahead and start with the Lip Injection Extreme Plumping Gloss Set. Now, the technical name of this is the Plump and Tasty Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper Set. Boy, is that a mouthful. Let's just call it the Lip Injection Extreme Holiday Set for Too Faced, okay? This is what the kit looks like. Super cute. It retails for $25, and you can pick it up either on Too Faced website or Sephora's website. And what I personally love about most holiday kits every year is the value is usually really good. So just the original Lip Injection Extreme in the travel size, it's the same size that they sell individually. The individual one retails for 16 bucks, or you could do this one for 25 and get the 2 other shades and that limited edition packaging. This one has like cute little lips on it and stuff. So I'm loving this. Let's open her up. Let's do some swatches, take some sniffs, and see it for all its glory. So starting with the original right here, this one just a classic kind of gloss. There's no anything in it. Now, I love this formula, so I'm obviously hoping the rest is going to be the same. I'm sure it is, but I've gone through so many of these Lip Injection Extreme tubes, and I'll tell you why I use it the most. I use it the most when I go to bed at night, which sounds really weird, I know, but it recommended on the original one, you can use it AM or PM to sleep with it. And I feel like it hydrates my lips better than most like lip balms and chapsticks and stuff. And I just think it works beautifully, and my lips look a little bit more plump in the morning. It's just great. Now, if you don't like a tingly, burny sensation type of thing, this one, these extreme ones are a little bit less intense than like say their regular lip injection. That one, like you can actually feel the burn. This one, it's a little bit more soft and subtle. You still feel it. It just depends kind of your tolerance. I'm really, really used to plumpers, so they don't bother me, and that's why I can sleep with it. But I feel it for like the first probably 10 minutes. I feel a little something going on my lips. So if that's gonna bother you, don't sleep in it. But pro tip, I love sleeping in this. Yeah, it smells like their classic one. Nothing special with that, but the packaging is super cute. All right, let's pull out Sugar Cookie, which I just realized that'll obviously be the perfect pairing for the melted one we'll use later. So we got these beautiful little pinky and gold type of sparkles that are just subtle but really nice. So I could definitely see like a more pinky sheen on my lips. It's not super intense, and I will throw this over maybe Sugar Cookie or something when we get to those lip swatches, just so we could see if it picks up the kind of glittery sparkles in there. Let's take a little smell. Ooh, that's nice. It's not too much. It's just a little bit sweeter. If you don't like the smell of the original, you might like this because I can't really smell that like original smell, whatever that is. Next up, we have Pumpkin Pie. Adorable. This shade looks absolutely stunning. This one has more of like a kind of fiery look to the shimmer that's inside. So that yellowy, orangey kind of shift. I can definitely see the gold little shimmery flecks more in this one. It's still not crazy pigmented or anything, but it's a gloss. I wasn't really expecting them to. This one I can see on my lips more though, overall. Definitely compared to Sugar Cookie, and I really like that one. I could see myself just throwing this on really quick if I just want, you know, a little something something. Let's take a little sniff. Little more cinnamony. That's really nice, which I like a cinnamon type of lip plumping smell, obviously. I feel like it's very fitting. Okay, so those are the lip glosses. I kind of said what I feel about the formula. I really like it. I've bought multiples over the years. I love them. So I feel like this is a good value. If you just like a more simple gloss, maybe a little more color, the value is there in my eyes, because $16 for one versus 3 of them for $25, as long as, you know, you don't mind the kind of smell. Yes, I like it. I'm glad I got it. Okay, let's move on to the Melted Matte little set right here. So the next set is technically called Christmas Snuggles and Melted Kisses. And now this one also retails for $25, and you can pick it up at Ulta, Macy's, Sephora, and Too Faced website, of course. So talking about value-wise, of course, this is again going to be really good value. $25 for the 4 of them. It comes out to a total of 12 ml, like combined for the different amounts. One of the full-size liquid lipsticks they sell is $22, and that is only 7 ml. So you're getting about double the amount, double the quantity. You get the different shades, and like I said, I still have the set from 2 years ago. And I mean, it's not like I use the colors all the time, but I mean, I love the Sugar Cookie Nude. So I think the value is definitely there in these sets. I don't need to keep harping on that, I'm sure. And obviously sometimes these aren't just for ourselves, they're for Christmas gifts, and you can split them up. So keep that in mind for the lip injection extremes. If you feel like they're too similar, you can split up those and make them into different gifts. And the same thing with these. If there's a shade that you don't jive with, you can split it up and put it with, you know, make a cute little pairing. I love doing that. But anyways, let's go ahead and dive into these now. Let's check out these swatches and the smells. So I'm gonna start with the nude just to kind of save my lips from less scrubbing. So going in with Sugar Cookie, smells just as beautiful as the original one. Look at that. It is absolutely gorgeous. I believe this is very similar to the original one, and we will narrow it down for sure when we do comparison swatches at the end. Wow, I just love that. Then let's go in with Hot Toddy. Super adorable little packaging. This one smells incredible. Oh, my mouth is like watering. I am pregnant. I cannot have one of these. I mean, can you make a non-alcoholic one? I don't know. Oh, that smells amazing. Let's see the swatch of this. Now let's pop on Caramel Apple. Hello, I'm allergic to apples, so I can only get my appleness through things like this. That is yummy. It's very heavy on the apple smell, but it is very yummy. I would have liked to like smell a little more caramel coming through. It's very much like a fresh cut apple. And I love that shade. That is an absolutely gorgeous shade. I'm so excited. And last one is Candy Cane, which we can bet it smells like peppermint. Yep, like a yummy peppermint candy cane yumminess, which it's called Candy Cane. Hello, okay. Let me also throw up some lip swatches really quickly of a couple of these with the glosses on top to see if we can see that shimmer peeking through or if it's just not so much. Let's pop a little bit of the Christmas Cookie lip gloss on top of the Christmas Cookie Melted Matte. Yeah, ooh, that's juicy. I can definitely see the little sparkles in there. They're not crazy prominent. Too Faced did have a lip gloss set last year. Those sparkles were more apparent, but you didn't get the plumping aspect. I much prefer the plumping aspect, so I don't mind, but yeah, there you go. Let's throw on pumpkin pie onto this just because the contrast might be nice with the yellow. Let's try it. Ooh, yeah, it's like you can see the gold more. Really, really pretty. Just hop it in the center. Oh, great combo. Yeah, you can totally see the little flecks now. Super cute. Okay, let's take a look at some comparisons really quickly. So I just swatched everything on my arm and I'll kind of go through it with you. So unfortunately, Sugar Cookie does look a little bit different than the previous year. So it looks like to be my original sugar cookie is that lighter one that you're seeing. A little bit lighter, kind of the same tones, but the new sugar cookie is a tad bit deeper. I don't mind it. I think it looks beautiful, but it's something to keep in mind if you are a fairer skin tone. Then I didn't see anything compared to the new Hot Toddy, but moving on to the new Caramel Apple, I saw some similarities, not with the first one that I swatched next to it, which was Hot Buttered Rum, but it does compare a little bit to this shade that you see swiped on the side, because I realized it after, and that's the pumpkin spice shade that was in the original kit. It's not exactly like it, but it's fairly close. So if you liked pumpkin spice and you wanted something maybe a little tiny bit deeper, but the same tones, it's pretty close. Maybe like a little more of a reddish look to it. And then I did the gingerbread right next to that, just because I know a lot of people do have this one. This one, I don't think you can get it this year separately, but in previous years, they've had it sold singly. That one, I didn't feel like compared too much to either of them. Way more orange in tone, but let me tell you, the smell of this is absolutely amazing. And then just for comparison, I did the original Cinnamon Bear Melted Liquid Lipstick to the new Candy Cane. That Candy Cane is a bright pinky red. This one is a deeper kind of cinnamony red. And this one, I don't know if you can get it individually. I was looking everywhere, I didn't see it, but I think you can get it in different sets. The Cinnamon Bear Melted Liquid Lipstick, and this is a really nice one. My Cinnamon Bear never smelled great. Like, doesn't smell like anything. I was kind of disappointed with that, but maybe this year they got better. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below. Did you get a Cinnamon Bear this year, and does it smell really good? I think they're even making it in glosses, which is really cool. So anyways, there are all of the comparison swatches. Nothing is an exact dupe. I'm a little bit disappointed that Sugar Cookie is an exact dupe, but you know, c'est la vie. All right, so there is pretty much everything I think that is to be said, but let me know down in the comments below what your favorite shade is and if you're planning on picking up any of these kits either for yourself or as a gift. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you were new to my channel, new to my face, I would love it so much if you consider subscribing before you go so I don't get lost in the whole YouTube sauce and you can never find me again. Hit that little red button. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for sticking around and watching once again. And go ahead and follow me over on social media if you aren't yet and come say hi. I'm over on Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, all of the places. Come get some extended content over there. But in the meantime, I hope that every single one of you have a great, freaking awesome, wonderful, beautiful, cozy, bosy type of day. So let's start with the lip injection. My arms and on my lips. My arms. Sit back, hang tight. It is so hard to snap with my rings. Sit back to that one shade, but a little bit to that one shade, but a little bit more to the one shade, but a little bit more to the one shade, but I don't know why I just major mommy brain is going on.